Hi, my name is Lefred and this is MySQL Shorts. We often hear that history list length should be monitored as it can be the root cause of performance issues. But what is it? MySQL history list length is related to InnoDB undo logs. InnoDB is a multi-version storage engine, MVCC, and it keeps information about all versions of changed rows to support transactional features such as concurrency and rollback. This information is stored in undo tablespace in a data structure called a rollback segment. This means that you can start a transaction and continue to see a consistent snapshot even if the data has been meanwhile changed by other transactions. This behavior is related to the isolation level. By default in InnoDB, the transaction isolation is repeatable read. This means that to provide such isolation, InnoDB needs to keep old versions of rows that are modified until there is still a transaction open. All those changes are kept in a linked list pointing to the previous version of the same row, which itself points to a previous version of the same row, etc., etc. This means that each time a row is updated within a new transaction, the old version is copied over to the respective rollback segment with pointer to it. Each rows have that 7-byte dbroll PTR field called the rolled pointer. The roll pointer points to an undo logs record written to the rollback segment. If the row was updated, the undo log record contains the information necessary to rebuild the content of the row before it was updated. Here we can see a second transaction 100, that inserts a record. By default, remember it's repeatable read, the second row is not visible in the first transaction, the transaction 99, because the transaction ID for that row is greater than 99. Now, when the data is updated, the changes are also kept in the undo update. And this keeps increasing until the undo segments are not purged. So the history list length quantifies the amount of changes, the amount of records containing previous changes, kept to rebuild the rows as they should appear in all transactions. In the next video, I will explain how to monitor it. Thank you for watching and make sure to hit like and subscribe.